Okay, so welcome back. And so this is the link chamberlain.edu. It's actually a university and they have so many opportunities, career opportunities that you can likely try. It's a school of nursing and so it's a beautiful one. You can also be a student, get to apply to become a registered nurse and you can learn in the university while you can also so either you explore a health profession or enhance your nursing career to become a nurse, or you actually apply to be one of the admin or staff or one of the staff and all that. So it's a very beautiful university. It's a very good one, and no application fee for you to actually learn in the university. And yes, so now let's get started. Scroll down to the end, towards the end of the site, and then look for the link careers. Then click on careers. So after that, you get to the link careers.advert, and then you'll see you were looking for a job. So can join them to become part of the teachers for healthcare professionals. So these are the jobs available. Evening or weekend, clinical faculty, part-time job, but this is not remote. This is actually an on-site job in United States. Another one again, academics, non-faculty, nurse education specialist is also regular full-time. So this is for medical practitioner. Adult health clinical faculty part-time, temporary part-time. Okay, let's see if they have remote jobs. Okay, click here to see all jobs. Okay, so Chamberlain University is a member of Talem Global Education and a leading workforce solutions provider headquartered in the United States. The organization's purpose is to empower students to achieve their goals, find success, and make inspiring contributions to our global community. Okay, so the purpose is to create an academic culture in which colleagues and students thrive, and that cultivates extraordinary graduates. You have care, accreditation, states, and authorization, and all that. So back to what we're saying. Let me see if we have remote jobs available so you can work from anywhere. Yes, they have so many remote jobs. Okay, we have a lot of remote jobs that have opened recently, and that include account manager remote job. It's regular full time but also remote account manager in United States in Salt Lake City. Also on course learning. Okay, DevOps engineer, account manager, contributing faculty. For this one, you must have a bit of qualification. Okay, then Salesforce administrator, on-course learning and Brookfield, then contributing faculty, channel sales manager, director corporate of communications in remote, and product operations manager. So which should we go for? I'd like to go for um okay, the account manager role, that's if I'm accountant, DevOps engineer if I have tech, Salesforce, yes, if I'm good with sales, contributing faculty members, channel sales manager, then product operations manager. Let's go to the next page and see if there are any other ones that have been recently and they are still available. We have a lot, product operations manager, okay, and talent acquisition specialist, corporate counsel, senior financial analyst, and clinical instructor, sales administration. So, okay, there are a lot and a lot of them. So, I would like to go for hybrid, no, human resources and legal, that is talent acquisition specialist. Okay, so let me just do something DevOps. Okay, let me do this. Let me do this. Okay, so this one you have the opportunity to actually partner with hiring managers and understand hiring objectives to meet business needs with emphasis on hiring for the faculty. So you can read through all this. Then after that, you actually become a recruiter for you to recruit others. But you must have at least 5 years of corporate or in-house recruiting experience, bachelor's degree in human resources or other related experience. So once you are done and you are comfortable with it, click on apply now. Okay, so once for the apply now, you have to enter your email address. Then after that, that is going to help you subscribe. Okay, I don't want to put in my email address, but just enter it, then move on to the next stage. That would include uploading of your documents and telling them about your job experience, moving on to including your personal information and a lot. So that's about that. Thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and please like and share this video. Please tell your friends to also subscribe to my channel if you want jobs or an update on jobs, and please turn on the notification button by clicking on the bell that is below this video. If you want a link to this job, I'll drop it in the description of the video so that you can click and go through the link. Okay, thank you very much. Have a beautiful day and stay blessed. Bye.